Hey guys, it's Dani'i and welcome to another video, and I'm here with updates on the Atlantic. We have 3 tropical cyclones to be looking at. We have post-tropical cyclone Jerry, and then below it we have tropical storm Karen, and here about midway between the Lesser Antilles and the most westerly side of Africa is Hurricane Lorenzo, expected to be a very deadly hurricane soon. But before I go into details, please take a second or two to tap that subscribe button if you haven't. We are on the road to 1K, and you can also tap the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video. So first, let us start off with what is expected to become a monster very soon. Hurricane Lorenzo, currently a Cat 1 hurricane with winds of 90 miles per hour, and it is moving to the west-northwest at 80 miles per hour. And by sometime Thursday afternoon, Lorenzo is expected to become a major hurricane and maintain that intensity at least going through early next week. And we don't know if this system might be a threat for the Azores. It may shift slightly north-south, we don't know as yet, but the track seems to be shifting more to the east, so we just have to wait and see what will happen. But if you're on the Azores, you want to keep a close eye on Hurricane Lorenzo. And next we have disorganized tropical storm Karen. You might be very confused by this cone, but here we have the 5-day outlook from the National Hurricane Center, and this is expected to be the path, and then it makes a little hoop there and then probably turns towards the Bahamas, and we don't know if the United States might be affected, but conditions ahead of Karen not looking very favorable for additional strengthening, and so it is expected to maintain its tropical storm title going into the end of this week, but winds may just peak at 45 miles per hour at least going through the next 5 days, because anything can happen when it goes beyond this point. So it is expected to hover a bit before moving to the west towards the Bahamas. And you guys are probably hardly seeing a tropical cyclone over Bermuda right now, but here is extra tropical cyclone Lorenzo, and maximum rainfall expected from it in Bermuda is about 1 inch or probably a bit less. And it is also expected to dissipate very soon when it moves across from Bermuda going out into the Atlantic. So aside from these 3 tropical cyclones, we don't have anything else to be looking at in the tropics, the Atlantic to be specific. There was a tropical disturbance located over the Yucatan, but of course, well, the National Hurricane Center is no longer expecting it to become a tropical cyclone, but it may still bring rainfall to areas near the Bay of Campeche. And so we need to just keep an eye on Lorenzo and Karen going through the rest of this week and into early next week. So guys, if you found this video pretty informative, please leave a thumbs up, and you can also share your thoughts with me in the comment section below or ask a question. I will try to respond as soon as I can, and just remember to always be weather-wise, and I will keep giving updates on the tropics.